Hi everyone! We got a big package in our post office box that we thought we would unbox for you guys on a video so you can see and thank the person, whoever it is that sent it to us. Let's look and see what we got. We've got some other packages that we didn't do this in the past, and we want to start doing that for you to show you our appreciation.
And thank you to those guys who've done this in the past.
This is from Kelly, aka Precious Pup. Oh, very cool. We got a couple of these tactical backpacks. We can throw our gear in now for our medical bag.
Absolutely awesome. Such a cool item to get. We got two of them, so there'll be one for each vehicle, for the Tick and for the Ram.
They're big too.
Those are awesome.
A lot of stuff in these.
Oh my gosh, you don't know how much that means to us. Thank you, thank you. We will load those up with equipment.
Guys.
Thank you.
We're gonna load them up with supplies.
Absolutely.
If anybody is interested in helping us out and send more medical supplies to us, we do have an Amazon wish list with medical supplies and other stuff we need to help when we go into towns that are hit by severe weather, tornadoes, whatever the case may be. We go in with medical supplies and help until EMS gets there or if they're overwhelmed. So this is so appreciated. I can't tell you how much this means to us. We'll have one medical kit per vehicle now.
Yeah, so we won't have to send it back and forth.
Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you guys.
Love y'all.
And we'll see you soon on the next chase.
Yep. See ya.
Bye. Love ya.